Alright, welcome back. So now we will be setting up our trading platform. So as you can see in front of you, you've got MetaTrader 4 or MT4, and you can see that we are at the moment logged into XM. And for demonstrative purposes, I've got a XM demo account running here, just to demonstrate to you how the platform works. So as you can see that all of these things that you see in front of you on the platform are the things that you should already be familiar with, because you would have already gone through the other videos that I would have recommended to you to watch on the XM website regarding the different features of the MetaTrader trading platform. Okay, so for now I will just be showing you how to set up this particular platform so that you can make more sense of what's happening on the charts. Okay, so over here we've got the market watch on the left hand side, and these are all my currencies that I've got displayed over here, my currencies that I am currently watching. Obviously you can also add more other instruments to this as well that you would like to watch. Right, so this is how the standard chart looks, and at the moment we are on a Euro USD 1 hour chart. Okay, so every bar in this specific chart represents 1 hour in the market. So over here on the right hand side you can see that we've got the price, right, and at the bottom we've got the time of day or time of month, time of year, or whatever a specific time frame you on it will show, right? So for these demonstrative purposes we are on the 1 hour chart, so this will show us what is happening at every hour for every bar and at what price level. Okay, so the way we're going to be setting up this chart is that we need to make it look as if we can make sense of it, right? Because at the moment we have no idea what's going on, because we've just got the small green bars on the chart. So the first thing we have to do is we need to get rid of these horizontal and vertical lines, right? The horizontal and vertical grid that is on the chart. So to get rid of the grid, you can press Ctrl G on your keyboard, or you can also right click on the chart, go down to where it says grid and click on it, and you see the grid will disappear. Okay, we can then move up to the magnifying glass and we can zoom in a bit. Right now you can see that these are different bars that is represented on the chart, but there's no way of saying whether these bars are bullish or bearish just by looking at it, right? So what we've got to do is we've got to change this into Japanese candlesticks. So if you go up over here, you can just follow the cursor. You can see that it says bar chart. Right next to it, it says candlesticks. We then select candlesticks, and all of a sudden you see that this changes to normal candlestick bars, right? Now we've got to change the color of these bars. So we're going to right click, we're going to go down to the properties of the chart, then where it says bar up, we are going to color this green. Where it says bar down, we're going to color that red. For a bull candle, we're going to do that green, and for a bear candle, we're going to do that red, right? Then we're going to select OK. Now you can see that this chart looks more familiar, and it makes much more sense according to what I've been teaching you in the guide to successful trading. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to add currencies to your chart. So for this demonstration, we've got Euro USD on a 1 hour chart. If you want to add more currencies, right, you can pick on the currency, for example USD CHF, and you can drag it down to the bottom over here, and then you'd see that USD CHF will appear on the chart, and you will see that Euro USD is next to it, so we can select Euro USD and the Euro USD chart pops up. Go back to USD CHF, now for the USD CHF chart. Right, once you set up your platform, and you will see that this will just be set up for the specific currency that you are on. You would then have to save a template if you want your other charts to look exactly the same as this one looks. So we would then right click, right, go to templates, click save template, and for this purpose we're just going to name this template one, and we're going to say save. Right, so now if I go to USD CHF, I can just go on the chart, right click, go to templates and select number 1. Now my USD CHF chart looks exactly the same like my Euro USD chart. Right, and that is the basics of setting up your charting platform. Now we will get further into the different indicators that we will be using, right, which will form part of our bull FX trading strategy.